Hi guys, welcome to ITeePK. Today we will learn the simple steps on how we can get our LinkedIn profile as PDF. Having a PDF version of your LinkedIn profile allows you to easily share your professional information with potential employers, clients, or colleagues who may not have access to your LinkedIn. It also serves as convenient backup of your professional achievements and connections. So in this video, I will guide you through the simple steps to export your LinkedIn profile, ensuring you have a polished and professional document ready for any opportunity. So now I want to start from the beginning. I want to log into. Okay, here let's click on sign in. I will sign in with my email account that is saved already in the browser and it's getting me logged in. Once you are logged in into your LinkedIn, go to the Me button that have your profile photo and click on View Profile. Once you click on the View Profile, in your profile, you will find the option that's called Resources. Once you click on Resources, you will get this option Send Profile and Message, Save to PDF. So if you want to send profile and message, you can send to this recipient. But here we want to save our profile as a PDF. So let's go ahead and save LinkedIn profile as PDF. I want to select the desktop. Let hit save. Preparing PDF, your download will begin shortly. Looks like my profile is downloaded successfully on the desktop. Let's go ahead and open it. Uh, let's open it with Microsoft Edge, and that's perfect. I got my LinkedIn profile as a PDF. That's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.